Shilajit, it's everywhere. But what's the real deal? Skip the noise and let's focus on the essentials of Shilajit. What it is, why it matters, and how to use it. Shilajit, nature's ancient mineral supplement. Shilajit is a sticky, tar-like substance found in high mountain regions. This blackish-brown exudate has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine systems across Asia. Rich in minerals and organic compounds, Shilajit is prized for its potential health benefits. Origins and formation plant. Decomposition. Shilajit forms over centuries as plant matter decomposes in mountain crevices. Microorganisms play a key role in this slow transformation process. Mineral enrichment. As it forms, Shilajit absorbs minerals from surrounding rocks. This results in a substance rich in fulvic and humic acids. Exudation heat and pressure cause the formed Shilajit to seep out of rock fissures. It's then collected in its raw resin-like state. Geographic distribution, Himalayan region. The Himalayas, including parts of India, Nepal and Bhutan, are famous for Shilajit production. This region is considered the primary source. Central Asian mountains, the Altai, Pamir and Tian Shan mountain ranges also yield significant amounts of Shilajit. These areas span multiple countries. Other locations. Shilajit is found in lesser quantities in the Caucasus Mountains, parts of Antarctica and even the Andes in South America. Chemical composition, humic substances. Fulvic and humic acids account for a significant portion of Shilajit's composition, typically ranging from 60% to 80%. These organic compounds are considered key contributors to its diverse properties. Minerals Shilajit boasts a rich mineral profile containing over 84 essential minerals, including iron, zinc, and magnesium. This mineral abundance significantly contributes to its nutritional value. Other compounds. Shilajit's composition extends beyond humic substances and minerals. It also contains various other compounds, such as dibenzoapyrenes, amino acids, and fatty acids. These compounds collectively contribute to the complexity and potential benefits of this remarkable substance. Traditional uses rejuvenation. In Ayurveda, Shilajit is considered a rasayana, or rejuvenating substance. It's believed to promote longevity and vitality. Cognitive health. Traditional medicine systems use Shilajit to support mental clarity and memory. It's thought to nourish the brain. Physical strength. Shilajit is traditionally used to enhance physical performance and stamina. It's believed to support overall body strength. Modern research antioxidant properties studies suggest Shilajit may have potent antioxidant effects. This could protect cells from oxidative stress and damage cognitive function. Some research indicates potential benefits for brain health. Shilajit may support cognitive function and memory. Nutrient absorption. Fulvic acid in Shilajit might enhance nutrient absorption. This could improve overall cellular function and energy production. Forms and preparations. Raw resin. The most traditional form, raw Shilajit resin, is a sticky, tar-like substance. It's often dissolved in water or milk before consumption. Powdered Shilajit is easier to measure and consume. It's often mixed into drinks or smoothies for convenience. Capsules. Shilajit capsules offer a standardized dose. They're popular for their ease of use and lack of taste. Liquid extracts. Some manufacturers offer liquid Shilajit extracts. These are often mixed with other herbs or supplements. Safety and considerations. Purity ensures Shilajit is sourced from reputable suppliers to avoid contaminants. Dosage. Start with small doses and consult a healthcare provider for guidance. Interactions. Shilajit may interact with certain medications. Discuss with a doctor before use. Pregnancy. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid Shilajit due to limited safety data. Other potential health benefits of Shilajit bone. Health. Shilajit's rich mineral content, including calcium and magnesium, may help increase bone density, especially in postmenopausal women. Sexual health. It may boost testosterone levels, enhance sperm quality, and improve overall sexual performance. Antiviral properties. Shilajit contains humic acids that might help combat viral infections. Cancer. It may inhibit the growth and spread of certain cancer cells. Iron deficiency anemia. Shilajit might assist in treating iron deficiency anemia. Heart health. It may reduce the risk of heart disease and aid muscle repair. Shilajit's high mineral content, fulvic acid, and antioxidant properties contribute to these diverse health benefits. Now that you know more about Shilajit and its potential to support well-being, you might be curious to see if Shilajit can help enhance your energy, focus, and vitality as part of your overall health program. I've left a link in the description where you can learn more and try it out for a discount. Thank you, and here's to your health.